Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. OGT Train here, back again with another video. And today, look what I just got in the mail. Let me just turn that up, right side up for you real quick. But yeah, I was just about to go to work when I checked my mailbox and have seen that Gillette has actually sent me a birthday gift, even though this is kind of late. They sent me a birthday gift, and what this is pretty much, it says a free razor plus up to $25 in offers inside, so I'm very excited for that. Thank you, Gillette. This is not a sponsored video, but I just want to thank them for sending me this free razor, because I was actually thinking about getting me another one, so now I don't have to think about that anymore. So anyways, before we kick off this unboxing video that I'm going to give to you guys, I want to give a big shout out to all 38 of my subscribers that have shown me love and support over my last couple videos that I did a few weeks ago. I will be posting more videos soon. I am in editing mode for a gaming video for you guys, so make sure you stay tuned to that. Also, make sure to go down in the description below, follow my social media links down below, so that you will be notified even faster for when I upload videos. So definitely make sure to go do that. And also, make sure to go ahead, give a like to this video, comment down below, and subscribe. Let's get into it. Okay, so we're gonna open the box here. Let's see what we get. Okay, so we get a Gillette Fusion 5 Proshield. Gillette Fusion 5 Proshield. Comes with a body and a razor head, of course. One cartridge, one razor. And let's see here, it has the little flex ball. So make it easier to get those really rounded edges and the contour of it all. Let's see here. It comes with 5 blades, so it's like 5 blades on the cartridge. And then also it is a precision trimmer, and it'll also it has a little shield right there on the top and bottom of it, so that you don't scratch yourself so easily when you shave. So. And as I said, I want to give a big shout out to Gillette for giving me a free razor for my birthday. Thank you for that, even though it was kind of a little while ago, but we'll still work with it. And let's see here, we have a couple booklets here. Let's see here, this one says happy 18th birthday. Let's see here, there are a lot of firsts in your life, but you only remember the first real ones, like the first concert. Yes, so it says, it gives you a little comparison of like first concert versus first real concert. And then I think it just kind of, that's basically what it is. Just gives you a couple scenarios, and also it gives you a little bit more detail on it. Gives you a little bit more detail on the razor itself, so that's pretty neat. I'm not gonna explain them all now, but yeah, this is pretty cool. This is honestly pretty cool, and they give me some coupons, so thank you for that. I will definitely put those into consideration when I go back to work. And yeah, so yeah, I think that's about it. Thank you guys again for showing me love in my other videos. I deeply appreciate it, and make sure to go ahead and share those videos with your friends, so we can keep on spreading love. And also, yeah, that's gonna be it. So thank you guys once again for tuning into this video. Like I said, I want to give a big shout out, and more videos coming soon. I am in editing mode, but I'm also very busy in real life as well. Yeah, make sure to go ahead and follow my social media links down below in the description. And yeah, let's get it popping. Share this video with your friends. As always, you have a good day.